Google Pixel Slate is a completely new experience, giving you powerful productivity in a fresh, mobile form. We designed Pixel Slate to be both thin and light. It's crafted with beautiful lines and rounded edges in a stylish midnight blue. And it has a perfectly balanced center of gravity, so it's incredibly comfortable to hold. Pixel Slate is engineered with a stunning detailed display, so sitting back to enjoy a movie is better than ever. It has 293 pixels per inch. That's 6 million pixels for the sharpest picture in the category. Your movies, photos, and games will be stunning in vibrant colors and brilliant resolution. Now, a brilliant display doesn't mean much without great sound. So with Pixel Slate, we've positioned the speakers on the front of the device so they can direct stereo sound towards you instead of out towards the walls or the floor. This combination of an amazing display and dual front-firing speakers gives you the best entertainment experience you can hold in your hands. We're excited to give you 3 months of YouTube TV with the purchase of a new Pixel Slate or Pixelbook, so you get live TV from more than 60 networks, including sports and local news. Now, you heard Rick talk earlier about our deep history in imaging and computational photography. We're bringing some of that same innovative engineering to Pixel Slate's 8-megapixel front-facing and rear-facing cameras. Both cameras incorporate our machine learning algorithms, so you can take great photos, including portrait mode. We've also designed the front-facing camera to be perfect for video chat. It has a wide-angle lens, so you can fit everyone in the frame, and a sensor with larger pixels, which allows for excellent low-light performance. The UI is now optimized to be simple and easy to use on a touchscreen. It's a Chrome OS experience that's meant to be held in your hands. And at the same time, it gives you a full desktop experience, not one designed for a phone. You can work the way that you're used to working. You can even run developer tools and full-powered Linux applications. Check out the reconfigured launcher. Instead of hunting for the app you need, machine learning customizes the launcher just for you, suggesting the apps that you're most likely looking for. It's your own personal Google, right at your fingertips. You can easily multitask with features like split screen, which lets you seamlessly shift between work and play. And now, with Pixel Slate, the Google Assistant is even more deeply integrated within Chrome OS. Simply use your voice, and the Assistant can help you find a restaurant, dictate an email, or play your favorite show. Another helpful feature is Family Link. This helps you set digital ground rules for your family and gives you more control over how and when your devices are used. And when it's time to settle in for the night, our new Do Not Disturb and Nightlight features help you tune out distractions and gently adjust the color temperature of your display to help you wind down. Now, as you'd expect from us, Pixel Slate provides really powerful, hassle-free security. Virus protection is built in. The OS updates in the background, so you always have the latest security and features without any annoying interruptions. Pixel Slate also includes a tightened security chip, so your information, device passwords, and operating system are protected on your device. And to eliminate the fuss of typing your password, Pixel Slate's power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, so you can unlock it just as quickly and securely as you do your Pixel phone. Just touch the top and you're good to go. But a true desktop experience demands a great keyboard. So we created the Pixel Slate keyboard, the perfect companion to Pixel Slate. The keyboard connects to Pixel Slate in a snap. No pairing or charging needed. Just connect it and start typing. Its full-size backlit keyboard is incredibly comfortable to type on. The rounded hush keys are soft and quiet, so you won't be that person with the loud clackety keyboard. And the full-featured trackpad works just like you're used to. G Suite is amazing on Pixel Slate. With docs, sheets, and slides, you can collaborate and create like never before. Pixel Slate also uses the full desktop Chrome browser, so you'll never be limited by the mobile version of a site. There are also millions of apps in the Google Play Store, from productivity to fitness to games and entertainment. So that's Pixel Slate, powered by the reimagined Chrome OS. It's designed to be as versatile as you are, with a desktop operating system, a full keyboard and trackpad, a brilliant display, and the mobility and app support of a tablet. Pixel Slate comes in several configurations, starting at $599. Pixel Slate Keyboard is $199, and Pixelbook Pen, now in matching Midnight Blue, is $99.